Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757. You know, I get straight to the point. We have two fantastic new features for our subscribers. One, we have a join button now. You'll be able to see the videos before everybody else in the general public, 3 to 4 days before anybody else. Also, you get priority when it comes to your comments. We give you super shout outs. It's just, you have a lot of perks versus everybody else. Also, there's a super thanks button that we have now. We call it ironing, sharpening iron. We take the money that you donate to us through our Cash App or the super thanks button. We turn around and we put it into a separate account. When we run into persons that are on fixed income, persons that just don't have enough money for the repairs, single moms, etc., we take that money that you donated through Cash App or the super thanks button, and we help them get the repairs. It's not always about making money. It's about the people. They are the best commodity that we can ever have. People before profit is our slogan, and we like to help people to the best of our ability, so we have options. So we take iron and sharpening iron, what you do for us, we turn around and give it back to the general public and try to help them the best way we can. And we also use the money to buy better equipment, better videos, more information, everything we can. And it just goes around 360 into a circle. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And everything that I say will be in the bottom of the description of this video. Thank you.